BMW E36 M3 by Moontech. An extraordinary build that seamlessly blends the timeless appeal of the E36 chassis with the latest advancements in tuning and technology. Unveiled at the 2024 SEMA Show, this car represents the pinnacle of automotive craftsmanship and performance. Moontech Japan's LS1 swapped. Airlift Performance air suspension-equipped E36 has a similar vibe, though with a distinctly different approach. At first glance, with the bonnet on, it looks like a classic take on a modified BMW. But with the bonnet off, polished intake trumpets divert your eyes away from the interior retrim, red paint, and custom turbofan wheel covers. Interior luxury. Step inside the E36 M3, and you'll find a cabin that merges classic racing style with modern comfort. The interior features premium materials, including Alcantara and leather, hand-stitched to perfection. And the race-inspired seats and harnesses ensure that the driver and passengers are securely held in place during spirited driving. The interior design reflects the perfect blend of old and new, creating a space that is both luxurious and functional.